CPU, M2K 6580 quad-core. O.S, Android v5.1. Camera, physical 2.0 MP. Sensor, gravity sensor. RAM, ROM, 512 MB, 4 GB. Connection, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth v4.0 plus 3.0. Port, magnetic charging, data exchange. Battery, 450 mAh. Display, 1.39-inch IPS HD touchscreen with resolution 360x360. Multimedia, audio and video playback, recording, photo viewing. Applications, Google Store, Maps, Google Voice and more apps for free download. Color, black, silver black. Remote notification, push notification of Android phone, Twitter, WhatsApp, Skype, WeChat, QQ etc. Sync Android Music Play, remote camera. Themes and clocks, multi-theme switching, multi-clock interface switch. Anti-lost, cell phone anti-lost, finding mobile phone, watch. Health functions, pedometer, sleep monitor, sedentary reminder, water reminder. Others, rise hand.